Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome to Redesign. So by the title of this video, you all probably already know that I'm going to be doing a review and demo on this Hardcandy highlighter rose gold. This stuff is amazing, so keep on watching. Hey guys, so I am back with this amazing Hardcandy rose gold highlighter stuff. Like I said, I'm going to say in the demo part, I'm in love with this. I say it throughout the video. It's from Walmart. I can only find it at Walmart. I picked it up for $6. I asked a girl at Target that worked there. She said that they didn't carry it. So you could probably pick it up at your local Walmart or find it online somewhere. So it comes in a package. I already ripped this off, but it's by Hardcandy. It's their rose gold highlighter, and you open it up like this, and it comes in a little thing. And I used my brush by Saucony Cash from Target, and it comes in multiple colors, this reddish pink, this pink in like a golden yellow, I think. Each color is different. I'll rub it on my hand so you could see. I don't know if you could see that. There's the red. There's the pink. I don't know if you can see that. And then here's it's kind of a golden, like beige, I think. And there you have all three of them there. So I don't know exactly how you put on the highlighter, but I just take my brush, like in the demo, and rub it all over my face, and it works really, really well. I buy this product, like I buy 2 or 3 of them at a time, because at my local Walmart where I live, this stuff is gone. And I did a video before, and I thought it was called head candy. So I said head candy. If you guys can find that video, it is on my channel. You'll have a good laugh because I'm redoing it, a review and demo on the Hardcandy. But in all, like, I love this product. So now on to the demo part. Okay, so for the demo part of this Hardcandy Just Glow Rose Gold highlighter, I haven't even opened it up. If the scenery area looks different, it's because I'm on vacation. Yeah, so I'm not at my regular home. So, I'm just gonna open it up. It comes in a little package, just like this. It says on the back, Hardcandy Rose Gold Highlighter. See? And I'll probably tell you that in the review. So I'm just gonna open it like this. It comes apart like that. I don't think it was supposed to do that, but I'm gonna open it up. I opened it up wrong, guys. I'll be back with the open case. Okay, so I'm back. I opened it up. I used this pen to open it. Don't try it at home because it could be bad. So, here's what it looks like. I'll probably say it in the review. It has this reddish, pinkish, pink, and then a gold color. So what I do is I take my flat top foundation brush from Saucony Cash from Target, and I just rub it like this, but I think it would be a little bit hard to do all the colors at once. I'll probably talk about it in the review. And I just rub it like this on all over my face. I don't know if you can see that, but it's really pretty. The first time I wore it, like, I looked so different. Like, it was so good. And like I said in the review, I picked this up at Walmart where I am staying for $6. This Walmart, I'm telling you, is not cheap on their makeup. Like, from where I live at home, I could have bought 5 things for the price of 2 things at their Walmart from home. So, then I'm just gonna go like this again. I don't know if you're supposed to rub it all over your face, but that's what I do to get a perfection complexion. So, rub it on my nose. I am in love with this stuff, like I said in the review. I highly recommend it. So, I will be back with the end result. Hey guys, so I'm back with the end result. I don't know if you can tell, but there is a little glow on my face from this Hardcandy highlighter stuff. I'm in love with it. I totally recommend it to anyone. The only place I found that sold it was Walmart. Target does not sell it. I picked it up for $6 at Walmart. I think it's the same price at home, so, or anywhere at your local Walmart, but I'm not too positive on it. It is in the hard candy section. Like I said, I love this product. I use it a lot. I actually buy like 2 or 3 of them because I run out all the time. So if you have any questions, please put them down below in the comment box. Please also don't forget to like this video and please subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.